Welcome back to our series of practical English conversation lessons. Today, we'll be moving on to episode 15, Conquering the Next 50 Conversational Phrases. In this episode, we'll explore two essential situations, scheduling an appointment, and at school or in the classroom. These are vital for your daily life. Prepare a notebook, listen carefully, and repeat aloud. Ready? Let's begin. Situation 15, making an appointment. I'd like to make an appointment for a haircut. I'd like to make an appointment for a haircut. I'd like to make an appointment for a haircut. When would you like to come? When would you like to come? When would you like to come? Do you have any openings this Saturday? Do you have any openings this Saturday? Do you have any openings this Saturday? I need to book a checkup with the dentist. I need to book a checkup with the dentist. I need to book a checkup with the dentist. Is there anything available at around 3 p.m.? Is there anything available at around 3 p.m.? Is there anything available at around 3 p.m.? Can I schedule a manicure for tomorrow? Can I schedule a manicure for tomorrow? Can I schedule a manicure for tomorrow? Who would you like to see? Answer 1. Anyone is fine. Who would you like to see? Answer 1. Anyone is fine. Who would you like to see? Answer 1. Anyone is fine. I'd like to book with Mary, please. I'd like to book with Mary, please. I'd like to book with Mary, please. Does Wednesday morning work for you? Does Wednesday morning work for you? Does Wednesday morning work for you? How long will the appointment take? How long will the appointment take? How long will the appointment take? I'm afraid I'm busy then. How about Thursday? I'm afraid I'm busy then. How about Thursday? I'm afraid I'm busy then. How about Thursday? That sounds perfect. Please put me down for 10 a.m. That sounds perfect. Please put me down for 10 a.m. That sounds perfect. Please put me down for 10 a.m. Can you confirm the booking? Can you confirm the booking? Can you confirm the booking? Could you send me a confirmation text? Could you send me a confirmation text? Could you send me a confirmation text? Under what name should I make the appointment? Under what name should I make the appointment? Under what name should I make the appointment? I'm calling to reschedule my appointment. I'm calling to reschedule my appointment. I'm calling to reschedule my appointment. Something has come up. Can we move it to Friday? Something has come up. Can we move it to Friday? Something has come up. Can we move it to Friday? I'm sorry, I have to cancel my booking for today. I'm sorry, I have to cancel my booking for today. I'm sorry, I have to cancel my booking for today. Is there any penalty for canceling? Is there any penalty for canceling? Is there any penalty for canceling? What is your phone number for contact? What is your phone number for contact? What is your phone number for contact?
I've got you down for Friday at 2 p.m. See you then.
I've got you down for Friday at 2 p.m. See you then. I've got you down for Friday at 2 p.m. See you then.
Does this service include a wash and blow dry?
Does this service include a wash and blow dry? Does this service include a wash and blow dry?
I'm running a bit late. Is that okay?
I'm running a bit late. Is that okay? I'm running a bit late. Is that okay?
What's the earliest available slot?
What's the earliest available slot? What's the earliest available slot?
Can I change my appointment to a later date?
Can I change my appointment to a later date? Can I change my appointment to a later date?
Thank you for being so flexible. You're welcome.
Thank you for being so flexible. You're welcome. Thank you for being so flexible. You're welcome.
Situation 16 at school/classroom. May I come in? Answer 1. Yes, please come in.
May I come in? Answer 1. Yes, please come in. May I come in? Answer 1. Yes, please come in.
Sorry, I'm late. I missed the bus.
Sorry, I'm late. I missed the bus. Sorry, I'm late. I missed the bus.
Could you repeat that, please?
Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please?
What page are we on?
What page are we on? What page are we on?
I have a question about the homework.
I have a question about the homework. I have a question about the homework.
Open your books to page 45.
Open your books to page 45. Open your books to page 45.
Can you explain this grammar point again?
Can you explain this grammar point again? Can you explain this grammar point again?
I forgot my textbook at home.
I forgot my textbook at home. I forgot my textbook at home.
Can I borrow a pen?
Can I borrow a pen? Can I borrow a pen?
Please lower your voice. Be quiet.
Please lower your voice. Be quiet. Please lower your voice. Be quiet.
When is the assignment due?
When is the assignment due? When is the assignment due?
Is this going to be on the test?
Is this going to be on the test? Is this going to be on the test?
I don't understand this exercise.
I don't understand this exercise. I don't understand this exercise.
Can we work in pairs?
Can we work in pairs? Can we work in pairs?
Who wants to come to the board?
Who wants to come to the board? Who wants to come to the board?
May I go to the restroom?
May I go to the restroom? May I go to the restroom?
What does this word mean?
What does this word mean? What does this word mean?
How do you spell environment?
How do you spell environment? How do you spell environment?
Listen and repeat after me.
Listen and repeat after me. Listen and repeat after me.
I've finished. What should I?
I've finished. What should I? I've finished. What should I?
Raise your hand if you know the answer.
Raise your hand if you know the answer. Raise your hand if you know the answer.
Turn in your papers, please.
Turn in your papers, please. Turn in your papers, please.
I'm sorry, I don't feel well. Can I go to the nurse?
I'm sorry, I don't feel well. Can I go to the nurse? I'm sorry, I don't feel well. Can I go to the nurse?
We have a test next Monday.
We have a test next Monday. We have a test next Monday.
Class dismissed. Have a great weekend.
Class dismissed. Have a great weekend. Class dismissed. Have a great weekend.
Great. So we've completed 50 conversational phrases from episode 15 today. I hope you're now more confident when scheduling appointments or during classroom sessions. Practice every day to see the difference. Immerse yourself by replaying this video while cooking or commuting. Please comment below with your favorite phrase, like, share, and subscribe. Good luck with your studies and see you in episode 16. Goodbye and see you next time.